Apparently there is a truck driving around Hollywood Boulevard with one of those animated advertisement sign things. It has a GOOBLAGOON advertisement. Yo, can one of my mods find that on Twitter real quick so I can pull that up? Hello? No! No shot! That can't be real. Is that AI? I don't think that's AI. I think that's real. Why and how? Hello? Somebody just said, why is he running a red light? Wait. Bro, what? Are you kidding me? GOOBLAGOON reviews and it can only find 1 5-star, so it threw a 4 and a 3. Who did this? Are you kidding me? How do you even do something like this? This is a real truck driving around in real life. This looks real. This can't be! Is this real? No, AI couldn't even do this, I don't think. I don't even think AI could make something look like this. Dude, is this real? Wait. Who lives in Hollywood? Whatever. Oh my goodness, it is real. I just saw a video of another angle. Yo, Mom, can you pin that one that you just sent me? That is unbelievable. Chat, y'all will literally do the most crazy stuff in the... Wait, no, this is an AI. Look, there's literally a Borderlands 4 ad up there. Y'all will literally do anything in the world except get a job. Like, dude. This is crazy. Yo, Mom, are you in here? Dude, there's literally another video of it too. How am I just now seeing this? Yo, bird_socks. I fear you've been a sub for 17 months. It's AI. Look at the messed up McDonald's sign. It's AI fake. The sign in is messed up. It's fake. You need to reevaluate your AI detection system, because if I can detect better than you can, you have a problem. This is real. Bro. It's dark in the second video when it's light in this one. Somebody was driving around in this all day long. I have so many questions right now. I have so many questions. How do you even do this? How much did this cost for you to be like, hey, I have an advertisement for this place. I'm going to make you drive around for 6 hours with an advertisement. How much does this cost? That's their truck. There's no way. $5,000 a day. Excuse me? It's Kalis. Imagine. This is, dude. The original grocery store. The original grocery store had some crazy lore going on. It had Yelp reviews and everything. The GOOBLAGOON alternate universe has gotten to an unprecedented level. This is unreal. I'm walking down Hollywood Boulevard with my family. You just see this. I did not even ask nobody to do this. They just did it. The thing that's mind blowing is that they just woke up. You said, you know what? I'm about to do this right here. Unbelievable. Hey, chat. Like I said, y'all will do anything besides get a job. That's crazy to me. This is just reinforcing it more that people will think it's a real place. I bet there's some people that's walking these streets not knowing, they've heard all the bad reviews, and they see that and they like gasp, like, oh, that's that water park that they're talking about on TikTok where people are dying. I can see it. That is actually hilarious. I'm not gonna lie. That's one of the funniest things I've ever seen in my life. What on this planet Earth was that? That is unbelievable. Go to the website. What website? It's GOOBLAGOON.com. We know there's a website. That's crazy. Check what? Check the website? Why is there somebody walking, by the way? I can't even get on the website. What is on the website? I can't even see it. Y'all gonna have to hop off of it real quick so I can get on the website. The ads are working then. Imagine that's why it's over flooded, because of the ad on the truck. Bro! Dude. Why can't I get on there? I can't get on the website, chat. Y'all crashed it. GG. I'm not going to see whatever y'all want me to see because I can't get on it. What happened? What's on the website? Oh, it's updated. Do you think the person that made this website also did that truck thing? That has to be connected. Scroll down more. There's ads. This ad, yeah. Reviews went up to 2 stars. We're good.